happy. Like, let me just buy it.
Excuse moi.
Right? Nice to matcha.
Your blood makes atonement for me.
Yeah, I'm feeling it. Like a purse.
Come on me, fly you out to Greece. Full speed, so for the belly. Come on me.
Oh, I love the wallpaper. And I like that the sun sets very late here. It's like 7:30 p.m. Oh, this is the best part of the room. Don't know. Alright, let's see. They left me a bottle of milk. No, a Tetra pack of milk.
Come on me, fly you out to Greece. Full speed, so for the belly. Speed post, baby, and make it beat. Waves in my ass, smoking weed.
And the view and the view is, I mean, it's okay. So my colleague and I are gonna be going to Woolies now. I'm just gonna change quickly. I don't even want to get unready right now because as soon as I do, I'll get too comfortable and I won't want to get out. So I'm gonna just remove my lipstick and wear like a lazy lounge fit and head out, because once I start removing, I will see my bed very cozy and I will not go out. So let's just go out and get tired ogokugcina, because it was I think 13-hour flight. I'm not really sure. I wasn't calculating, but it was amazing. And then yeah, come back and then get unready and tuck in. Maybe I'll just find like something to eat at Woolies as well, and see how my night goes. And then tomorrow we plan to go to the city. Yeah, let's see how that goes. To buy, she told me about Uggs. Apparently this is where they're originally made. I don't know that. I didn't know that. So maybe I'll find some Uggs, because I've never owned Uggs. Yeah, I think it's childhood memory. Yeah, I don't think I've owned Uggs. So we're gonna be looking for Uggs as well. Not really much to do. So yeah, let's go to Woolies. Look at me, I slay. So I'm trying to think what to wear outside. As you can see, let's zoom you in, guys. There's the lighting. I'm even posing. So outside it looks like that. I don't really know what to wear. Maybe the weather is okay. Just changed and I think this is what I'm gonna wear to Woolies. Are you sure? Wait.
Yeah, we are here. We walk there.
And then it's right, yeah.
14 minutes of walking. If I put like this, yeah, here and then to the right.
Okay, let's go. Let me just vlog this. You wanna say hi?
Vlog?
Yeah.
Hello.
Rich one.
Vlog.
Yay! Who are you?
Me, I'm Bulira. I'm from Kyrgyzstan. I am her colleague.
I hope we can hear you.
Yes, please.
You're so cute.
Thank
Are you
you.
single?
I'm single and ready to mingle.
But they have to move to Doha, right?
Yes.
Okay. Should we go? Let's go. Okay. Are we lost? Uh-oh. That's honking. That is so crazy. That's scary. But like this though. What is that? That is so cool. It keeps going up, like up, up, up. Yeah, no, this is crazy. I wonder what it is. Maybe it's stars. They're What do you think? I think it's stars, maybe. What is that?
Most of these things I don't wanna say.
I'm so happy.
You wanna hit me up when you make it. You try and come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop.
I think I want to get the granola cookies. They look yummy. There's even Krispy Kreme here. No, I'm sorry. That's it.
Any 2 for 6.
I think I'll take this one.
Chicken katsu. Try that.
I'll buy the chicken Caesar. It looks yummy. So gigantic. So, this is how it's going. I think we are buying the whole store. Like, everything is so organic here.
Should I go healthy or should I go happy? Chocolate.
Go healthy. Yeah, you were regretting even eating on board, so go healthy. Boost your brain
Usually the
power.
shots, the price for this
18 Qatar riyals.
for this thing.
Is that good? I don't know.
I haven't even tried.
Never seen in my life.
Yes. This one I'm getting for myself.
Recommend. Trusted by dentists.
Hello.
You're
Yes.
crazy. Let's get out of here. Now we're on 28. I'm not coming with you next time.
Yes. Buy it.
Cheap though. It's really cheap. How much? I see 134. We need to convert how much that is. So we still need to convert how much we spent.
I spent. How much you paid? I paid
90.
I paid 100 something.
Oh my god. You went all out.
I'm a spender.
Yes. But I thought I actually spent more than you, but it's not.
You think so?
Yeah.
Babe, I will spend all the money that you will give me in one day.
So I just came back from Woolies Australia, and these are like the goodies that I bought. I got so overwhelmed. So I got, first of all, they are organic. Like everything is organic, like literally everything. And we were blown away. Like we literally were blown away. So I bought this cauliflower puffs. It's made of veggies. It says made with real cauliflower. So I bought 2 of those cauliflower puffs, and then I bought some black and white chia seeds. Apparently this is very good for a lot of benefits on your skin or whatever. I don't know. I am planning to take care of myself now because, you know, flying your body needs you to help it, and I haven't been doing that. And I bought a Korean barbecue spice because Korean barbecue is always the best. I bought some mangoes. It's very hard to find mangoes, like ripe mangoes. So I just saw them and I was like, and sawashi. I bought some chia sesame snaps. Just I'm incorporating a lot of snacks, like, because I end up eating like really unhealthy things. So I think adding that is gonna help me a lot. And then I bought some eucalyptus candy. I mean, I don't know why I bought it, but I think it's good. And I bought a crunchy chicken katsu for now because we arrived late and I don't want to go to a restaurant, and I feel like this is very cheap. It's only $12, like Australian dollars. So, and then I bought something for breakfast. I bought ham and cheese croissant, and I bought some rooibos tea. It's berries, And they say Robo is the sweetest of South African sun. Oh, I love when I see some South African things here. And I bought some cold pressed spinach kale, pineapple, apple, cucumber, mint. And I bought some avocado chips made with real avocado. I'm not a fan of avocado, but I like having things that are like, for example, an avocado smoothie. I have a lot of those, and I don't know if I'm gonna be able to eat this, but I bought it anyway. And I bought avocado oil. I'm gonna be cooking with avocado oil now. Okay, hands down, I'm not gonna lie, this Woolies is better than South African Woolies. Organic, better. Like everything is like next level organic. Like they make everything, literally. Even candy, there's like handmade, and I'm like, guys, what? And I just want to try oat milk. And I love dairy, but I just want to try this. And I saw that it has like collagen and stuff, so I want to try it. I don't know if I'm gonna like it, but let's see. And then I bought a salad also. I'm gonna have it with my chicken Caesar salad. I can see some bacon, some chicken. It looks kind of nice, and it was like a bestseller. Like the shelf was almost empty. I think this was the last one. And I bought some beetroot, balsamic beetroot, as well as some sun-dried tomatoes. I want to make some pasta, so I'm really hoping that I really cook. There's a verse that talks about we do the things that we don't want to do, and the things that we want to do we don't do. So I'm gonna be training myself to do the things that I want to do, because the things that I do actually are not the ones that I want to do, like eating unhealthy. So yeah, now I'm gonna just go and take a shower. It's almost midnight. I think it is midnight. I'm not sure. I'm gonna just take a shower and have some sushi and crash. Keep my salads here.
Love like a mountain that cannot be moved. Just as an eagle, I found freedom in you. A peace which brings me through. Deserving of worship in spirit and truth. The light of life shines through. Our greatest gift was you. Father, your love never ceases, even in the midst of my darkest days. Love, it flows like a river and never ever seems to run dry. So if
That is served. Oh, I forgot to put. I don't even have utensils. Oh my god. Do we have utensils here by any chance? No. Oops, sorry.
And Debbie, instead of handling this privately with her mom, here we go, baby, yeah!
We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Oh, I got 5, we want so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Yeah. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Oh, hey, hey, baby, when we gon'
Is going to be connected to us being planted in the house of the Lord. You say, well, where did you get that idea from? I'm so glad you asked. We get it from the Word of God. So our scripture of the year is in Psalms 92, verses 13 through 15. We're going to declare this every single Sunday of 2025. So let's read it today with uplifted and hopefully caffeinated voices. Y'all ready? Are you ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Those who are planted in the house of the Lord shall flourish in the courts of our God. They shall still bear fruit in old age. They shall be fresh and flourishing, to declare that the Lord is upright. He is my rock, and there is no unrighteousness in him. Feel like you're about to die, just to make sure everything is okay. And then after they run all those tests and they run some more tests, and then they'll see, okay, we passed the test. I'll tell you that, to tell you that. You're like dead man's bone.
So many times I done miss you.
The one in the car. You see, he's looking at
I
us.
will pretend that I didn't notice.
But why is he staring? Like he's literally staring at us. It's so weird. But why is he staring?
I don't know, but it's so scary.
Yeah. Here's another one who's staring too. Look, he's staring.
It says 12 kilometers away, like excuse me.
12 kilometers?
Yes.
Yeah, let's ask him. Hi, sorry.
Your help, please. We need to go to Bell Street station to
Station.
get this Mikey card
card?
to go to the city.
All right.
Yes, how can we get
Annie, can you direct them to Bell Street train station? Easy.
Hi.
Yeah, there you go. Thank you. All the way down there.
Okay,
All the way down there.
okay.
It's on the left.
On the left.
Okay, but it's pink.
The station is
And
pink.
you can't miss it.
Okay.
All right, Bell Street. So keep down there, but it's on that side.
On the right. On the left, sorry.
On the left.
Jet lag, sorry.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. She says go straight down.
Here.
The accent. Straight down.
Yeah. I love it.
I love it too. It's so cute.
Know that I need you.
Let's continue.
Gotta get even. Still I want you close. Sometimes I need you.
I have 5
Never forget you. I won't.
Oh, she said hi to you.
Who said hi?
The driver.
Really?
Yes.
You saw him?
Yes. I told them driver or captain.
Captain.
She went.
It's a girl?
You will see in
I
the
didn't
video.
even see
It's a girl.
her.
It's a woman.
Oh, she saw that I'm recording. Oh, she's so sweet.
So sweet of her.
They are so sweet. Oh, you have to press? It worked. Where can I say? It's in here.
Wanna take time to just stay at 5. Been a long while since I've been back to the place that raised me. And if it's okay, I'll just say that I was struggling. All the memories, they took me back. Oh yeah. Now I've had pain and I've had so much sorrow, but I've had hope and the joy of tomorrow. I've had pain and I've had so much sorrow, but I've had hope and the joy of tomorrow. 'Cause we've been made up for the night, yeah. We've been made up for the night, yeah. Your joy will come in the morning light. We've been made up for the night, yeah. We've been made up for the night, yeah. Your joy will come in the morning light.
Gives me vibes of New York.
Yeah, it gives a New York vibe.
I will go there. Let's take a picture and then we're done.
Which
Should I remove this cardigan? So it's fine, it's okay because they are first dressed. So
yeah.
oh, they're inside. Let's see what they have.
It's so old.
And then we go to that side, yeah? For
Yeah.
the old shops.
Yeah. It's so old here. Oh my gosh. Look at that.
Oh looks nice.
Nice to matcha. You can add collagen? Where? Oh yeah. So what is this only matcha? Because I don't like matcha.
I want this baby matcha with strawberry foam.
I don't want matcha. Oh, I can have a smoothie.
They have coffee section.
Oh yeah.
So, baby matcha.
Oh, it's so cute.
Wait, let me. I want to make a video.
Like there's a life behind us.
They're gorgeous. I just need you to just tap that.
Video. Chin chin.
Which ones do you want? There's like all of them, like everything, right? Yeah, keep it. Hopefully it doesn't fall. It's freezing. These ones,
The one that I wanted.
the tiny ones. Which one do you want? So apparently Uggs are originally from Australia. I did not know this.
This one better.
That one better?
Yeah, I want to try this one.
These are like so cute. I like these ones. Look at the fluff. Ooh. So big, like so gigantic. So comfy though. Yeah, size 40.
Yeah, this, I think you need to go oversized for this because it's
So it's comfy, right?
small.
I think I like these. They're so cute. These ones. They're so cute. Leave it. It thinks it can go. Oh, you're so leave it.
But I'm trying to take it out because see?
It's so it's panicking, right?
Yes, but it will help.
Ah!
This one is
You're so brave.
To be honest, I fell in love with this city, like I would have cried. Can you see this?
Yeah, I'm feeling it. Like a purse.
We don't have any money to give him.
No, no cash. Like this H&M looks like an entire mall.
This is the fanciest H&M
I know. I know. It looks like a mall. Yeah, simple, elegant. But the jeans are always nice. It's here. It smells like baba already. You don't want it? Do you guys have bubble tea here?
Yes, all this are bubble tea.
Oh, all of it. But
And choose the drinks firstly, then choose the bubble here.
that we are actually first dressed.
Yes.
You said in 9 minutes, right? But it's, yeah. Why did you say 9 minutes?
You said 9 minutes of riding there?
I'm not sure. If you're a cabin crew that has 4C hair, you know the struggle of having to put 4C hair in a bun every time for your flight, because this is exactly what happens. The hair does not want to go down, and what I normally do is just use a duke. I don't know what you call it, duke. What do you call it? A scarf, to just tone my hair down.
You the same way, only keep the fam around me. So let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep while we doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, we going so live. Tell me when to go.
So the bun is sleeked now. It's such a long process to make my hair. I think it takes an hour for it to do this. Stick bun or what? Now we can go. Catch you in Doha. Catch you in Doha. Okay, I still need to finish up my makeup, but sleek bun or what? I'm so happy about this bun. Like, I'm so happy it came out perfectly, because yesterday my hair was giving me like trouble, but today it came out perfectly. Also, my curls are so defined. Coils, they're so defined. Look at them. Indalo, my dear. Indalo, my dear. Look at that. Some men, guys.
When we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide, yeah. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide.
After this workout with slicking my hair, I was just like, when I land, I go straight to the salon to do some cornrows, because I do not have 2 hours for my hair. There's just no way. So I'm at the salon right now, and they just blowed out my hair. I don't really like applying heat to my hair, but there's no other way if I want to make the braids last a bit longer. So they have the South African side. They actually have a lot of selection of countries. That's what I like. There's more South Africa there.
Done it all, I've heard it all, seen it all, and that all left me blank. It took me to drown in my sin, drove me insane, but now I am saved. Picked up my bag, picked up my pick it up, please. I gotta go, gotta get going and leave. I wanna see how many I wanna breathe. I lost my mind, lost the voice for the
off my boulders. I thought I told you, yeah. Thought I told you, yeah. In my bag, still my pick it up, please. I gotta leave, yeah. Gotta go, gotta get going and leave. Yeah, I wanna see how many I wanna breathe. I lost my mind, lost the for the last time. I'm done playing games. Yeah, I'm switching lanes. Over it. I'm done playing games. I'm switching lanes. Over it. I got my armor scouting for the vultures. This is what I made for hymns. Hallelujah. Yeah, I'm a soldier. Kicked off my boulders. I thought I told ya, man. I thought I told ya. I wanna see how many I wanna breathe. I lost my mind, lost the for the last time. I'm done playing.
Someone tell me how we lose the lid. How? How do we lose the lid? So I think we're gonna cook this shrimp. So it's this one. I think we're gonna cook this shrimp for half.
I'm done playing games. I'm switching lanes. Over it. I got my armor scouting for the vultures. This is what I made for him. Hallelujah.
The irony, so I'm cooking beef and I'm putting chicken masala.
Boulders. I thought I told you, yeah. Thought I told you, yeah. In my bag, still my pick it up, please. I gotta leave, yeah. Gotta go, gotta get going and leave. Yeah, I wanna see how many I wanna breathe. I lost my mind, lost the for the last time. I'm done playing games. Yeah, I'm switching lanes. Over it. I'm done playing games. I'm switching lanes. Over it. I got my armor scouting for the vultures. This is what I made for hymns. Hallelujah. Yeah, I'm a soldier. Kicked off my boulders. I thought I told ya, man. I thought I told ya.
Guys, let me tell you about an answered prayer. So it worked. I didn't pray, but I know you guys prayed for me. So my stew is coming along here. This is beef. My brown rice is already cooked. Looks so yummy. And my butternut is gonna be next. I'll just have to transfer this because I only have 3 pots. I need to buy pots. And my corner is grilling. I want it to be this golden brown. I don't know if it will, but let's see. It's coming along very, very slowly. And that's it. You're invited for dinner. But that I bought this. So I'm gonna just edit. I don't know when to edit. Maybe when it's almost done. Then yeah, should be good to go. I was gonna add tomatoes, but maybe I should just add this so that it's not too watery. Also, I don't know how much to add. I think this should be enough, right? Or I should add the whole thing? I don't think so though. I think this should be enough.
$1 I just went for your head. Talk on the once, I don't care what they said, cause your matter. Now you my one they carry for my head. Midnight, now you are one they carry to my bed. Oh, lolo. Don't tell me no, no, no. You could be my partner, never ride solo, lolo. And we can do I'm low, you don't need to party, oh. I feel like what you're doing, oh yeah, baby, carry go, carry go. Your body never carry shit. Open up, make I see you. Now you ready to catch a fancy. They do me, I keep parking, oh, no, no, no. But you got me calm. I should have been coming early in the morning. Oh yeah, you can make you send my money. Call me Mr. Bean, I go make you fun. Like, make it. Go show you loving, I can make it to my city. Running next to me, can't look at it. You want me to send you on me before you go see me. I ain't there, you know your body bad. Anybody back, can make you shake it for God. Yeah, can't dance for me, baby, man. I'm not too sure, no. Went for your head. Talk on the once, I don't care what they said, cause your matter. Now you my one they carry for my head. Midnight, now you are one they carry to my bed. Oh, lolo. Don't tell me no. You could be my partner, never ride solo. And we can do I'm low, you don't need to party, oh. I feel like what you're doing, oh yeah, baby, carry go. Your body never carry shit. Open up, make I see you. Now you ready to catch a fancy. They do me, I keep parking, oh, no.